Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about introduction for design pattern. A guide to reusable solutions in software design. First, what are design patterns? Design patterns are models of code that solve common design problems. Not ready to use code, but templates for solving some problems. Based on real-world applications and best practices. Language neutral can be applied in any language that contain OOP, Object-Oriented Programming Language. Why and when to use design pattern? Provide tested, proven development paradigms, save time and effort, enable better communication among developers, promote reusable, scalable, and maintainable code. Use when facing a non-design problem, not always. What does that mean? When you're stuck on a problem, okay, you can search for this problem on the internet. Okay, you can find the solution of your problem inside a design pattern, solve this problem. So in this case, you can use this design pattern to solve your problem. Don't reinvent the wheel. Many design problems already have solutions, so take them and solve your problems. Don't reinvent the wheel. Patterns let you build on others' experience. Knowing patterns helps to recognize problems. Example, you can use a factory in this case. For example, okay, if your problem is solved inside the factory, so in your case, use the factory pattern, and so on. Gang of Four. Gang of Four are four authors: Eric Gama, Richard Helm, and Ralph Johnson, and John Velicides. Are four authors published a book in 1994 that introduced 23 foundational patterns and organized this design pattern into 3 categories. The categories of Gang of Four design patterns are 3 categories, as we said. The first one, creational, structural, and behavioral. The creational design pattern focused on what? On object creation. How you can create objects, the best way to create object. Okay. Structural focused on classes and objects composition. And the behavioral focused on communication between the objects. What is the elements of design pattern? The name of design pattern itself that describe the pattern and its purpose. The second, problem, when and why that pattern should be used. What is the problem that make this design pattern used to solve a problem? Then the solution for the problem, abstract model of how to solve that problem. And the consequences, result of using the pattern, pros and cons, the advantage and disadvantage. Summary: design patterns are tools, not rules. It's not a rule to follow. It's just a tool that can help you in coding when you're stuck on a problem. It may help you. Help solve common problems efficiently and tested before. Use them wisely and appropriately. Improve design skills and communication. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.